Hey year 8s, today we are going to be discussing operations with fractions. This is when we're adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing fractions. Now we spend a lot of time in class working with these basic operations. Fractions can be really tricky, and we spend some time in class going through videos from another channel, and you know what, I'll be honest, I can't top perfection. I think those videos are amazing, so I'm literally just going to link you to those videos so you can watch those if you want to revisit those concepts. But something we can go over is just a very brief overview of, with our different operations in general, what are you supposed to do. Here, if I'm working with fraction operations, I can work with adding and subtracting. When I'm working with operations and I'm adding and subtracting, I have to look at the denominator, the number at the bottom of the fraction. If the numbers that I have at the bottom of my fraction are the same, then I can literally just keep them as is and add them, or subtract them depending on the question. So here 1/4 plus 2/4 is 3/4, easy peasy. However, when I am working with a question and I'm adding and subtracting and the numbers at the bottom are not the same, this causes an issue, and I have two options here. I can either find the easiest common denominator, or I can find the lowest common multiple. If you want to see how to do that, check out the videos in the description below. Next, if I multiply, this is probably the easiest operation to do with fractions. All you're going to do is you are going to multiply the numbers at the top together and multiply the numbers at the bottom together. 2 times 12 is 10, 3 times 6 is 18. When you are dividing, this is basically the same as multiplication, except you need to remember to change your division question into a multiplication question. So for example, here I'm going to take my division sign, change it into a multiplication sign, and in order for that to be okay mathematically, I need to make sure that I flip the fraction after that sign. So here the 1/2 becomes a 2/1. And then I'm just going to multiply. 2 times 2 is 4, 5 times 1 is 5. And then, as always, super important to remember, if you can, you must simplify. Simplify. Ugh. Okay, so please remember to simplify when you are done with these questions. I'm going to leave in the description videos that you can watch on how to perform these operations if you don't know how to. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.